Hey, Rugged Outdoor fans, we're back with another video today. We're going to be carrying a lot of good stuff today. Hey, my name's Colby Butterfield. I'm part of the Rugged Outdoor YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be camping with outdoor brand Dan Wozniak and Matthew Elston. So let's get this video going. Peace. Deer right there.
Huh. There's a bottle over there. Washed up on shore.
Oh, wow.
Jesus. Hello?
I don't think he's home.
Oh, the owl stopped making sounds, so we couldn't find him. Making some sounds.
What was it?
Here's the bird sounds.
Give it a ram. Oh, you missed.
Cut the can.
Take two.
Oh, you were right.
Yeah. Looks like calcite. I'm making that up, by the way.
What's up, Rugged Outdoors?
Ladder is bent.
Nothing like the res.
Time to shower. Soap? Should I get in on it?
I do not want soap.
Why? You're acting like it's drugs or something.
No.
fun.
Washing myself.
You stink. It's fun.
Oh, the soap bottle.
There you go. Lather up.
Get that mustache.
Huh?
Get the mustache.
I fucking smell it. It's strong. You smell like old man.
Lather that shit on there.
You shoot your ass crack. Do not backflip that.
No, do it.
The soap.
So they're at it.
There you go. Good train going.
Cut. For real?
Yes. 50? Fall in the fucking sky. Get.
Wait.
Get this fire going. Start cooking. Have you seen a Lone Fiddler?
No.
Really? That's like the OG. It's on-
This is from like the early 2000s.
I've actually been wanting to watch, what's it called? Destination X.
I actually think I'm gonna start Love Island.
Really?
Fuck no.
I'll call you.
That's a good show.
I wanna watch it right now.
Over here.
Oh, it's hot.
I don't even want to fucking put this thing on there.
Cooking a sausage and a baked potato.
I got this pepper.
Alright, sausage is done. The skewer broke. Baked potato is almost done.
Just touch it.
There we go.
Guy responsible for
Baked potato.
Can't hear it. Just been hanging out here, listening to some music.
He's shaking the mic.
Probably gonna go to bed soon.
Waking up early to res.
Get that thing away from me.
Wet sweat.
I gotta poop though.
Oh!
2-person hammock.
Oh!
They got a whiff of fart the second you said that.
Oh.
Oh my god.
What?
I just compared your penis to a grain of rice.
Thanks, man.
This is not rocket.
You really gotta kick it out.
Did you? Was there another piece that fell off, Colby? Like a piece that like goes around here.
Do gang bang. It's such a shit song. Like
Sounds
genuinely.
like gang gang.
Oh, it's terrible, man. You're just not the target crowd.
Who is the target crowd?
Gangbanger.
You?
Me?
Yeah, bikers.
Oh.
I remember in 6th grade, I told Miss Goodwin in front of the whole class that I was baking grandmas with my cookies, and I've never recovered.
Did everybody laugh?
Yeah.
Just gotta start living that down, like, just like, make sure everybody knows.
Smoke bass is not the blow. Fiddler honey, aggression is not a good look on you.
I hope I look good in that.
You don't. Look
Fuck.
terrible.
Fuck!